Okay, it's Friday the 11th of September, so we're 11 days, well not quite 11 because the 11th day is not finished, so it's 10 days into September. Okay, and I wanted to show you how I'm earning with some smart contract businesses that I'm involved in. So I'm going to take you to my Telegram because I've got a robot here that notifies me when I earn payments. I'm going to go all the way up to the top and I'll show you inside the wallets in a minute. But if I go up to the 3rd, so look, there's the 30th of August. Okay, so on the 1st and 2nd of September from this robot, I never got no notifications, but that's okay. But if I go down, I'm not going to add them up from here. I'm going to show you in the wallet. Okay, but as you can see, if I go down, there's just every day since the 3rd, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, all Ethereum payments coming in, all from a smart contract that I'm involved in. And let's go down. There was a lot on the 9th, and then the 10th, and then today. Well, today's not finished, so I'm not counting today, okay? And so if I go up to my wallet, first off, I'm going to go to my Ethereum wallet. So I've left a balance in here, so I'm going to get the calculator, and I've got a balance there of 619. So let's get the calculator. So I'll do 619 point plus. And then I've got a payment that I sent to myself on the 4th of September. As you can see there, 1618. So it's 1,618. This is dollars, by the way. And then there's an August one. So you can see there's a $3,060, $600 there. But I'm not going to count that because I want to look at September. So far in the Ethereum, I've got that. Now let's go over to the Tron contract. Now I've got a balancing wallet here. Now, this is what I've actually left in the wallet, okay? So I've got payments coming in. Look, payments coming in. Just mind-blowing, the payments coming in. So I've actually got there, so I'll plus that as well. 1,073 point equals. That's $3,300. It's actually, I've got some other wallets, so I'm not going to go into those as well, but I just wanted to show you these, okay? So I'm going to divide that by 10, okay? So divide that by 10 because today's not finished. That's $331 a day, every day, all on really complete autopilot from a smart contract. So let's have a look at what that is in pounds and euros. So we'll go USD to Great British Pounds. There you go. And what was it in the calculator? It was 331. So we do $331. That's £258 a day. And if I do that into euros, and put the, again, what was it? Just check in. $331. So 331. That's 279 euros a day. All from smart contracts, all done on complete autopilot. Now, if you want to know, and that's in 10 days, okay, 10 days, so I'm into September. So if you want to know how this all works, and if you want to get involved, leave me a comment below the video or send me a private message, whichever you prefer. I'll see you in another video. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye now.